Alright, so today we got our Odyvia headlights. They are the Honda Odyssey RB1 headlights. Yeah, it's called the Odyvia front end or odyvia, I don't know. It's called something, but these are it. They look pretty cool. They're definitely better than my OEM headlights, as you can see. Big difference. But yeah, they look more aggressive, but we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing this as cheap as possible. So I'm not buying the Spirit R body kit or anything. I just bought these off of AliExpress, Wish, wherever you want to buy them, eBay. These are just the headlight covers, so they're hollow on the inside. And yeah, it's because I'm running, as you can see, light bars. But yeah, these are $100 Canadian. For the fenders that I'm running 20 mil Rocket Bunny rep fenders with some fender flares on them. And this side is a Zanki and the other side is a Kuki, and my car is a Zanki. Basically, so starting budget, these are $100. I got the fenders for free because who wants a Zanki and who wants a Kuki? So, you know, I got them for free. It was pretty sweet. They definitely need some work, but I'm gonna be doing fiberglass anyway, so it worked out for me. So basically what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be mocking up this side right here, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I had it sort of mocked up. I just shoved it in there to see what it looks like. But I'm gonna be looking up pictures online of already done odyvia front ends on an S14, S13, just to see the headlight placement. But from what I can see is where the fender meets the hood, it's halfway on the headlight. But I don't know if that's gonna work for me, but I'm gonna try and make it work so it's halfway. On all of them, they have a huge gap in the middle for the vent, I guess you could say. But yeah, it's huge. Like compared to the OEM gap is like, I don't know, maybe 1.5 feet, and this one's gonna be like at least 2 feet. So I'm gonna try and make it halfway, but we'll see how that goes. Basically, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut into this fender over here to make this lay flat, because as you can see, it's blocked right now, so I can't push it any further than that. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'm just gonna start cutting this away, lining it up, and see what I can do. I got the first one mocked up, so got my little dot, where is it, right there, for halfway, and I got it about dead center. But yeah, that's what she looks like. I don't know how you can see that, but it looks alright. It has a clear film over it, so it's not going to be the best idea of what it's going to look like, but definitely a lot more aggressive. Fitment is terrible up here. As you can see, I got a huge distance between here and here. The headlight is about an inch into the fender, but it's decent from far away. There's a little line right here. I don't know if you can see that. This is where it goes around and then it cuts down, and I align the top of this line right here to the hood. So yeah, that's a good marker. I got this corner roughly cut. It's a little gap down there, but all of this is super nice and tight, and then it starts getting a lip on the fender here. And yeah, this body panel sucks anyways. As you can see, it's got a lip right there. Like I said, they were free, so what can you do? Doesn't look too bad though. Should definitely change up the look of the car. It only has to look good from 20 feet away, right? It's a drift car. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Give you an idea. This is what this one looks like. OEM, Odyvia. Yeah, I think it looks badass. So Basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start making brackets, or actually no, I'm gonna start on the other side just to get the other side mocked up. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did on this side. I'm gonna line it up and cut away little by little at the fender and get it all lined up, and then afterwards I'm gonna make brackets. So what I'm thinking is, you can see in there, the headlight is not just the front, it has like it has a lip on the backs and on the sides. So this lip on the side, I'm probably gonna drill a hole through it, put a bolt and a piece of metal, and the piece of metal is gonna go on the lip of the fender here. So basically it'll go from this plastic piece to the bottom lip underneath on the fender, and that'll hold it in on that side. And then on this side, I'm probably gonna put a piece of metal from this lip right here to here. It'll just be one piece of metal holding it in. That's about it. That'll be painted. I'll try and actually do it higher. I'll probably do it up here and down to there just so it hides it a bit better. Alright, as you can see here, this is the final product. This is what it looks like. Not too bad. Got everything mounted up. Got the fenders back on. Just painted them up. And yeah. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it's cheap. So, this is the cheap man's Odyvia front end. Basically what I did to make the mounts is for temporary, I just made some brackets right there just to hold them in. Right there and there, and then you can see in the back there I have a mount on the fender. Same with on that side. And I just cut the Zenki hood to make it smooth across. But this is it. This is the cheap Odyvia front end. Super simple. Just cut away at your fenders and the corners to make them somewhat flush so that they look good from 20 feet away. And then make some brackets for the fender. Make some brackets on the inside to hold it up. Boom, if you're getting across, it's just gonna bend. It's not gonna break your light, so it's perfect for drifting. And yeah, then I literally free-handed the cut on this. I just drew a line with a marker and cut it off, so yeah. As long as it looks good from 20 feet, you're fine. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Boom. Alright. Yeah, that's basically it. Not too bad.